I'm back with another unboxing from Shop Everyday EDeals. I ordered this at the beginning of August. Let me just check specifically. I ordered this August 3rd and then I received it August 18th, so it didn't take that long, about 2 weeks to get here. We'll take a look. This is one of 3 paintings. You can see my previous unboxing of a cat that I did, a partial cat video. I'll put a link in the little eye box in this video. I don't know which one this is. Okay, I kind of think I know which diamond painting this one is. There's the drills, and my table is not big enough. So I have a thing for black cats and cats in general. Oops. Here is the diamond painting. Let me just smooth it out so it will not be so curly. It's a 30 by 40 centimeters. Here's the thumbnail. I don't know if it will actually focus. That's what it's supposed to look like. This painting costs $4.99 on Everyday EDeals. It's $4.99 American, so that's probably around $7 Canadian. I ordered 3 paintings and shipping was about $10 Canadian. Take a look at the drill field. Drill field is pretty clear. Like even on the dark areas you can see it. It does have a legend in the bottom right, which is 21 colors. And then it also has a legend on the top left, which is helpful. And so I'm just going to put this aside. It came with this kit, the basic kit. And these are the drills. It is a round painting. It's nice that they came pre-packaged in little baggies. These in order. No, these aren't in order. I'll just dump them all out then. Take a look at the quality of the drills. Ooh, look at this orange. So cute. Looks more yellow on the camera, but it is orange. There's lots of this green. The drills do look good quality. Like I don't think I'll have any issues with them. It doesn't look like there's a lot of trash or anything out of the ordinary. I won't show you all the drills because that would be boring, but ooh, there's lots of this color too. So on the diamond painting itself, it has the DMC colors along the side here, but there are no DMC colors on the bags themselves, which is fine. But because I do keep my extra drills when it comes to round and square ones, I keep the special drills, but I don't actually like put them in the containers or anything. I just put them all in a jar. But I do keep the extra drills when I do round or square diamond painting. So even though they're not on the bags, it's still helpful to have them on the actual painting. So I like having those DMC colors. Here's some brown, boring, poopy brown. Yeah, there's not like a whole lot that I can say about this diamond painting. I mean, it is a quick unboxing video, but I did buy one more from Shop Everyday EDeals, and I'll come back and make another video of me unboxing that. If you are thinking about getting this diamond painting, from what I can tell now, it does look like it will be fun and good quality, and the drill field is clear. I still will use a light pad to do it, but I think it looks really cute. Like for being a smaller one, 30 by 40, it is still really cute and it's still well detailed. Sorry, there's like a glare. It's still well detailed. This is the painting number if you do want to look it up on Shop Everyday EDeals. C998. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I have to say. Again, quick video. So if you want to see the unboxing of my next video or of my next diamond painting, stay tuned for that. Hit subscribe, comment below, like this video. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, thanks. Bye.